So it fits perfect. This is exactly what I was hoping to get. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have another video for you guys today. Today I just stopped by at Harbor Freight. We're gonna be getting some D-rings. We're gonna install those in the travel trailer because we need to load up the mini bike in there, and I need some tie down points in there. We're gonna go there and we're gonna pick something up. That's something that might work for my application, and we're gonna put them on tonight. Load up the mini bike, and hopefully it'll work. So follow me to Harbor Freight right here, and let's see what we can find. Let's go. All right, guys, I think this is what's gonna work for me. So let's go home and try to make this work. So this is what the inside of our travel trailer looks like. Okay, we have like a U-shaped seating area here. That's the table. I'm gonna remove that, and the plan is to bring the bike in here, the mini bike in here, and make it fit right here from that side to this side, like this way. So I'm gonna move this out of the way, and I'm gonna show you what where I'm gonna be installing those tie down points. All right, so here it goes. All right, so this table comes off just like this, just like this. Okay, so that comes off. It's got two attachments right there. Okay, so I'm gonna putting that to the side. And then these two legs right here, they come off too. So, okay, only these two are holding that tabletop. Okay, so let me bring you in here now. Okay, so my plan is to put install one of the tie downs right there, that corner right there. The other one, that corner right there. That way it'll be out of the way. We're not gonna be tripping over them. The other one is gonna be right in this corner, right there. Okay, that's three. And then the fourth one is gonna be right there, in that corner. That way we have 4 tie down points, and by doing that, it'll be the mini bike is gonna stay. It's gonna stay this way, and it's not gonna be all over the place. Well, that's the plan. Now I'm gonna take measurements. And I'm gonna take measurements from the edge, from there to here, and then line it up with that. That way I can go under the trailer and see if I'm clear down there, if there's not any pipes, any cross members, any water lines or anything. Okay guys, so I already measured out all my tie down locations on the trailer's floor. Everything is good underneath. I crawled underneath the trailer, and there's nothing. There's no cross members, there's no water hoses, there's no electrical wires. So we're good to go, so we can start drilling out all my holes. I'll show you what I have here, what I'm going to be using. These are the D-rings for the tie down points we're going to be using. Those are the D-rings. They're not that big. I have all my hardware here, my tools, and this is good for what I'm going to be using. The mini bike weighs only about 115 pounds or so, so that's going to be plenty for what I need. I have my drill on inside the trailer here, so let's start drilling these things out. Okay. All right, so I have my Sharpie here. I'm going to be doing this. Okay, so that's that right there. Okay. there. Let me bring the hardware and the D-rings. Alright, so let's do the first one here. Sure you guys can see. Can you guys see what I'm doing here? Maybe, yeah, you guys can see it. Then I'm gonna reach from the bottom here. Let's see. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. This is how all four of these tie down points are gonna look right there. There's gonna be plenty of for what I need. Okay, so let's do the other three. Okay guys, I'm done. Everything is completed. The nuts and bolts are tight. So this is the end result. This is what it looks like right now. Okay, this is one. This is the other one. And 3 and 4. Okay, so what I'll do next, I'm gonna load up the mini bike in here. I'm gonna bring the straps, the tie downs. I'm gonna test it out so you guys can see it. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right guys, I'm done. The mini bike is already in here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. Let me know if you guys have any questions, any comments. So yeah, it came out really good. I like the way it fits. It's perfect size. It's not touching the front wheel, it's not touching anything or the rear wheel. You guys are gonna see that right now. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see the end result. Okay, so there it is. It's in there. It's a Sunray Sport 129, and yes, you are able to fit a mini bike in here. I did it. Okay, tie down point, 4 corners, straps, and it's in here. Fits perfect. Doesn't move. As you guys can see, it's really solid here. Perfect. 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 I like it. It's not touching, it's not rubbing against the wood. Same thing with the rear wheel. As you guys can see, it's about 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch gap between the wood and the tire, so it fits perfect. This is exactly what I was hoping to get. I wasn't sure if this was gonna work, but you know what? It worked. You can fit one of these minis in here. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. We're gonna go camping Saturday, and I will be recording our trip, something different. I don't do that very much on my channel, but this time my wife and we're getting away. We're gonna go up north. It's gonna be a little chilly, but that's fine. So we're gonna be recording a little bit Saturday when we go out camping and testing these things out. So thank you for watching, and I will see you Saturday. Peace.